Hey guys, today I'm going to be launching finally my super tanker. It's been pretty delayed as there were 2 weeks of testing. This one of course comes with an unmanned pod, so this is excellent. No more Kerbals being sacrificed to advance, and let's get this thing into space, and I'll continue actually telling you exactly what this has once we reach space. I reduced a little bit of speed, and so far so good. 200 meters a second, very soon coming up, and we are at nearly 3,200 meters, so that's pretty good so far. And we are coming up to that 6,000 mark, so we are going to be turning 90 degrees. Hey guys, today I'm going to be launching my super tanker. This is the new version of my super tanker. This comes unmanned, so no Kerbals do sacrifice their life, and of course it is meant, if you do want to, is to send it back into orbit and let it burn up. So that's pretty nice. So let's get going. .90-degree turn. Let it stabilize. Switch off the RCS. $13,000 meters. We could crank the speed up a bit. Actually, no, let's not risk it. I'll put it back down. And we're going to be releasing. Put it on the RCS. Releasing. And all good. The tanks hit each other but not us, so we're fine. And we are going to be going more 90 degrees now. Careful, does spin out of control, so always keep the SAS or RCS on, as this is a pretty dangerous part. It does spin out of control sometimes, so... And we'll lock it there. Let's take a look at how we're doing. We're doing pretty good, actually. You see how wobbly it is, the fuel tank? To fix that, you can cut the power and continue. So we'll cut the power, it'll stop wobbling, and now we re-increase and it stops wobbling. That stuff happens. Why, I don't know, but it does happen. So when you're in space, you gotta cut the power to stop the wobble from the actual liftoff, and since we don't have any air here, so there's no real pressure, and this obviously will give less structural you can say pressure to the other components, so it's good to stop the wobble once you're in space. Now here we go. We need to get to that 1900 mark. So what do? We click and set a target. Thank you to Dr. Cosmos for letting me know about this. This is pretty cool. And so far so good. You got to keep the RCS on. It's very unstable if you don't have it on. That's why I have 3 tanks. So let's give it a bigger 90-degree angle. We're nearly getting to that magical 2,000-meter speed mark, so that'll be fine. How we're doing? We're gonna disembark soon. And done. Disembark. Again, they should shatter on each other. This is gonna take a little bit of manual override you need on this switch, so you're gonna have to switch off your SAS and control it manually after you separate there. And let's see how we're doing. We're doing actually pretty good. You're gonna have to keep your SAS on, RCS on, I mean, all the time. And we are still here, so plenty of time. And I do believe, well, what's the altitude? 179, as you see. I could get around 2,000 liters per tank of these tanks into space if I was going for 100,000, maybe even more, maybe 2,200 liters. But since I am going higher, I need to burn more fuel. So in both cases, this is really depending on where your actual station is in space. So let's get this up there. And when it intersects, now we're gonna go up. Let's switch off the RCS. We're gonna go up so we burn less fuel and finish off our actual orbit. So there we go. RCS on. Again, yeah, it's fine now. You can put it at full power, but before, don't put it at full power as the second stage. Before last stage, it does overheat. Yeah, these engines are fine at full power in space. So it is growing. See, it is moving off course if you don't have the RCS on. You gotta keep the RCS on to keep it in check. Now I did do it at the top because as I go down I will be increasing speed, so the speed will increase, and I'm pretty high as it is already, so that's fine. How are we doing with fuel? We're doing pretty good. So we are gonna reach our mark soon. Repositioning. There we go. Okay, we do have an orbit. We're gonna get it to at least 70,000 meters. 50, 60, 70. That's enough. Let's check our fuel, how we doing. We're at 2,100. We're probably going to still burn 100 units, so hopefully each tank should come in with 2,000 units, and these two tanks are going to be full, so that is very, very good. Now, let's get back to our map and take a look at what we have here. We need to get an intersect point, of course, so the closest intersect point is... I need to kill these other satellites. Let's save it then. RCS off. Quick saving. Okay, exit Space Center. No, hold on, resume. Let's just see where we are so I know which one I should be cancelling. Okay, the one that's closer is fine. Okay, Space Center. This. Terminate. Hold on a second. Terminate. Hold on, let's just go to this one and terminate this. I'll terminate. Okay, I'm back. I removed all my test flights. I terminated their flights. Now, where were we? Yeah, we do need to get intersect with this. We are pretty high, it seems. We need to get down quite a bit. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna add a maneuver. Oh, the other way then. Set as target. Closest intersection point is here. We got two of them. There we go. Oh yeah, it's a little bit too much. There we go. We're a little bit out of orbit, but still we have a smaller orbit in general, so we still will be catching up, so that's fine. And how far are we to the burn point? Not available. Let's speed it up. Okay, let's find it now. I got 2 minutes to get there, so I don't think it's a longer 2-minute burn, so longer than a 2-minute burn, so it should be fine. Is it going down? I think it is. Yeah, it is going down, just very slowly. We gotta keep an eye out so our orbit doesn't go back down. Well, that seems to be fine. Yeah, we're nearly there. 15-second burn. Let's just align with our target. Excellent. 8-second, 5, 4, 3. And are we there yet? Where's the damn thing? There it is. Excuse me. And are we close enough? God damn it. Close that. Now we do have an intersect here, so we gotta go around a couple of times until it gets closer to 71,000. That's fine. Of course, each. Hold on, let's switch off the RC. So how much are we at now? 2,000 liters. I'm going higher, and I'm not very good at docking still, so that's why I'm burning more fuel than expected. But I do believe you should be able to get, if not 2,000, 2,200 liters when you dock. I'll probably not hit now at 2,000 because I'm going to have to be burning still quite a bit more. I'll probably reach around 1,500, you know, but that's 6 tanks, and plus I have 2 tanks full, so that's still a pretty amount of fuel there. So once I get that there, then I'll move the actual space station. Or I could keep this one and relaunch another one towards another planetary system, but I'll see exactly how it goes now. Now, if we do look at the pink thing has to catch up with this pink one, and it is going to the left if I'm not mistaken. So let's just take another look. If it does jump to the left one more time, it means we gotta wait quite a while. We gotta make a few turns for it to actually hit this point, and once that happens, then we'll do our burns in relation to the actual satellite. But till then, let's just see which way it moves. Yeah, it is moving this way, clockwise. So we're gonna wait. It's gonna take like, I don't know, 7-8 turns for it to come all the way here. So I'll see you guys when I'm back. And I'm back just to show you that we are getting closer with the intersection point. It's only, what's the distance between it? Hold on, let's zoom out. It's only 257 kilometers apart, but I do believe the next jump will make it closer. So this circle and one more should make it even closer. And then after that, we will make our adjustment burns in relation to the actual target, and all should be well. So here's our last circle, and now it should jump very close. I'll speed it up. Nope, we did miss it, unfortunately. Crap happens. Okay, so we will adjust. What's the distance now? We had 200. We added like 50 kilometers to it. That's not really the best way to go about it, but we will be adding now. Hold on. Add maneuver. 2.7, 2.7, 2.5, 2.4. Okay, that should do it. Where's the damn node? God damn it. Very sloppy. Is it coming up? Yeah, it is. We got contact now. Okay, great. Cancel the node. Next intercept point is here. Let's go around again. It should be much closer now. We should have a much closer intersect point. And I am back. Still rotations. Got 2 more to go. And there we go. Next intersection is it. How much is it? 15.2 kilometers, which is perfect. Again, this is going to switch the target. Of course, we're going to burn in opposite in relation to the target. So we slow down in relation to the target, which is the yellow circle with the cross, which is right there. Actually, we could move into place, hopefully. And then we're going to burn towards the target. So hopefully all goes well. We're going to be slowing it down soon. Okay. RCS on, let's find the opposite side. Not yet, no. This is on this side, so it's gotta be opposite that, so it's gotta be up. Target's only 175.6 meters faster than us, so that's not a lot of speed faster than us, so that's fine. And let's wait a bit, speed it up a bit, and hold on. Now we're going to speed up in relation to the target. Now, since we are braking, I do believe one of the axes is going down. No, this one's going up, so that's fine. Okay. Adjust it a bit. 105, 99, 98, 93, 92. 97, 96, 95. Come on, 50. We gotta keep an eye out for more intersects, yeah? So there's gonna be more intersects coming up. No, shit. Here's one, for example. 17, 13, 12. Okay. And now we're going to burn towards the target, which should pretty much hopefully align our... What's the distance? Okay. See, that's the thing. Now you do see that our orbit is getting bigger, so that's not what I have in mind. So let's shrink the orbit. We're gonna have to do it in a few circles as well, so I don't want the circle to get bigger than the actual orbit, because then we are gonna be changing in relation to orbit. There it is. We're gonna shrink our circle again. We should get a very close intersect, and we're gonna do the same thing there. Okay. What we got? Okay, that's fine. So our closest intersect is 39 kilometers, and here it's 77. 80. Okay, that's fine. Let's go around. 18 kilometers we have. That's brilliant. So we're going to do the same thing at our 18 kilometer mark. How much is here? 90. That's too much. Here, 59. It was 18, it jumped. I don't know why that one jumped. Anyway, so let's get back to it.